In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view total daily sales in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a business owner trying to keep tabs on your daily transactions, or an accountant looking to streamline your reporting process, this guide will walk you through it step by step, so you won't miss any crucial detail. So let's get started and make navigating QuickBooks Online as smooth as possible. To begin, you need to navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once there, you'll see the Sign In button, which is your next click. This will bring up the page where you can select the service you're using. For our purpose today, please choose QuickBooks Online from the options available. Now moving on to entering your credentials, this is one thing you want to make sure you get right. Input your email and password in their respective fields, then hit continue. A small but important reminder, always keep your account credentials secure and try to avoid using simple, easily guessed passwords. With that done, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks homepage. Now let's direct our attention to the navigation panel on the left hand side. What you're looking for here is the option labelled Reports. Click on that. The Reports section is like the engine room of QuickBooks, where a lot of the financial magic happens. Once you're in the Reports section, you're going to want to click on Management Reports. This moves you into a more focused area of reports straight out of your data. It's where you get valuable insights and detailed analytics on sales, expenses, and more. In the Management Reports section, you will see an option labeled Sales Performance. Click on that. Sales Performance is the specific type of report where you can track and analyze how well you're doing in terms of sales on a daily basis. It's your best friend when it comes to getting a clear, concise picture of daily sales. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner where there's a drop-down menu. Clicking this will allow you to select the time frame you're interested in. To view today's sales, simply choose the Today option from this drop-down menu. It's a straightforward step, but selecting the right time frame can significantly affect the accuracy of the report you're generating. Once you've chosen Today, your final action is to click on Preview Report. And there you have it, a neat, organized view of your total daily sales right at your fingertips. This preview allows you to double check that all the data looks correct before you finalize or distribute it. And that's it. Viewing your total daily sales in QuickBooks Online is as easy as following these steps. By doing this regularly, you can keep a close eye on your business's day-to-day financial health. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Enjoy your streamlined financial reporting experience.